Hi friends, Namaste. I am Chandrakanth. Welcome to Mr. Chandrakanth YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about what is stock market, market, types of exchanges, purpose of stock market. So before going to video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. I hope you already subscribed my channel. So coming to the topic, the first topic is what is stock market. Nowadays, the stock market is very famous. Stock market is a place where buyers and sellers meet together and buy and sell of a public listed company shares. So the stock market, also known as share market, equity market and share bazaar. In simple terms, we will tell you the one example. If Ram wants to sell 10 shares of Reliance Industry at the rupees 1900. So he will place a sell order on stock exchange. The stock exchange will find a buyer who wants that 10 shares of Reliance shares at the rupees 1900. So the stock market is a virtual market where buyers and sellers meet together to trade the shares. So in stock market, there are the two types of stock markets. One is primary markets and secondary markets. Primary market is a marketplace where companies raise capital for very first time. So the process of issuing shares to general public for the first time is known as initial public offering or IPO. Once the shares are issued in the primary market, they are traded, bought and sold in secondary market via stock exchange. The stock exchange are furtherly divided into two types. One is National Stock Exchange and another one is Bombay Stock Exchange, or also known as Regional Stock Exchange. So, in India, the Bombay Stock Exchange and National Stock Exchange are only two national stock exchanges in India. So, with BSE is being the oldest stock exchange in Asia. So, BSE is Bombay Stock Exchange, is the oldest stock exchange in Asia. So, the Bombay Stock Exchange is also the 10th largest stock exchange in the world, with a market capitalization of $2.1 trillion. The Bombay Stock Exchange, 10th largest stock exchange in the world with market capitalization $2.1 trillion. The movement of market is mapped using two primary indices called one is Sensex and Nifty. Sensex is the index used by BSE to track the movement of the top 30 biggest Indian companies, and whereas Nifty is index used as NSE to measure top 50 largest companies in the India. So in Sensex and Nifty, in Sensex top 30 companies will be listed, so we can check the track of the 30 companies of the India. As well as in Nifty also, top 50 largest companies in India, we can check the movement in NSE. So what is the purpose of stock market? The main purpose of stock market is to facilitate the movement of funds from the investors to the companies. Here the three concepts will be there. One is capital, one is investors and one is companies. So if any company will run means they need some capital. So either they will take a loans from banks or they will raise a debentures for interest purpose. So the capital will be held in investors only, means public savers. So the main purpose of stock market is to facilitate the movement of funds from the investors to companies. When a company requires capital for the growth and expansion, it can either raise this capital by taking debt from investors or banks as a loans, or it can issue equity shares to the shareholders. The companies issue equity shares to the shareholders via the stock market. So the companies will issue the equity shares to the shareholders by using the stock market. So the primary purpose of stock market to help companies to raise capital for growth or expansion of the business. So the primary purpose of the stock market is for companies to raise the capital for growth and expansion of a business. The secondary purpose of the stock market to help investors to participate and growth of the profits borrowing from the companies. The second main purpose is to save the investors to participate growth and profit from the companies. Friends, this is called stock market. Okay, I think this video will help you. Thank you, friends.